And good morning, fellow YouTubers. We have this Mach-E again, and we got to put in LEDs. Where the hell are they? Right there, all around the car. So we're starting with the front. Whoever the hell designed this, I guess this could be a video how to remove the frunk. But all pops, pop, pop. I gotta take these back out because they seem to have stuck in the plastic. Unlike these, who actually came out with the liner, which is right here. It's all plastic, all plastic, all plastic, all pop, 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 pop up, pop up. And then you get to this door here, door there. There's a 10 mil, 10 mil. I took everything out already. 10 mil, 10 mil. 10 mil. Now why I'm doing this, I have no idea. I just want to be able to see what's underneath what I'm doing, because I got to run an LED all the way cramped under this little 6-inch off the ground vehicle. So I guess this could be a video for how to remove the frunk in the trunk. See, all pop, 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 pop. Show you. See? Just pop. That's it. That's all it is. I'm gonna remove this thing. There's another one here. Another 10 mil here. I don't know who the hell designed this. Why so many 10 mils? So I gotta see what's underneath this. So let me get this up out of here. And I guess we could leave it at that. So, alright. This is exactly what I wanted. Look, there's no motor. Well, technically that's something. I don't know what that is, but probably a motor. All electric. But I wanted to see what I'm doing, because you can't see nothing under there. I will show you. It is nothing but plastic. One big wall. So, tray's out. I use it as a tool tray. And that video you can find somewhere there. So I'm starting with the front. I'm leaving the sides dry because I painted them. We're gonna see them across the sides when we get to the side. I'll show you when I'm done. So front's first, and we're gonna do mounting of the LED. So we will be back. All right, so I'm back, and we have a hole, pretty big one. Right there, because I had to run. Look, this little ass wire has a big clip like this. Where the hell did it go? Where are you? There you are. Look at this. Why? Seriously? Anyway, moving on. There's zip ties. There's no way this thing's going anywhere. I only put 3. Couldn't get my drill or hand in that corner over there. It's almost impossible from the bottom side without having to lift. So I will show you what it is looking like down here. This thing ain't going nowhere. Anyone says anything otherwise is full of it. Those are heavy duty zip ties. Not going anywhere. So back to getting my fat ass up. And I'm going to run through probably this grommet right here. It's a pretty big grommet. I'm going to see what's in there. Take the dash apart. See what's going on. See what it is. See what it is. There you go. Right there. Okay. And we'll see. So now let's go work on the back. And look, more zip ties. I painted them. Took this guy off. This push pin right here. Didn't even take it off. I didn't want to take it out all the way. Just tuck the wire so it doesn't fall. Put the thing back in. I could probably take it out. Let me see. I don't want to break it. Should probably take it all the way out. I'll do that later. So the wire can sit back on this side. Hey, look, my fingers are dirty now. Came up through here. Let's lift my fat ass up. there was... Can't hide the wire. Ain't no one gonna see that. Can't even get my hand in there. Let's see if I can tuck it a little bit more. There you go. It's a little better. Came up behind this little rubber. Tucked it behind there. Came up through the fender. Let me get my fingerprints off. There you go. Came up through here. I used a snake. This guy, just a piece of wire actually. Shoved it down, came up through. A little cavity, I don't know if you can't tell. Anyway, took this guy off. These alligator clips off. They just pop right out. Pop out. And I tucked the wire. See how the wire's coming out? I didn't want to leave it under this. I didn't want to leave this connection under this rubber. See? I gotta extend them. I want to leave this in the cabin where it doesn't get wet. Or at least as wet. I don't think it gets wet in here. But getting there. I do the same thing over here. See the wire hanging out. We painted them too. Yeah, I think I said that before. Let's see, where's the other one? Here, let me pause this. So here's the other one. I painted with rubberized. But it's aluminum. So whatever touches it is gonna come off. So I don't know what to do with this thing. I'm gonna have to wait. I mean, I'm not gonna anodize this. Paint barely gonna stick. You could sand it and try, but We'll battle that hump when we get there. Under here, there's a little grommet. I already pulled it out. This guy. Cut a hole here. Come up through the bottom. I'll show you that when I mount this guy. More zip ties. So, be back. Alright, so we're making progress. So I actually went to this side because all my other wires are on the driver's side. So I'm going to come up here, tucked it under. And I love this tool. You gotta get this tool, dude. Got to. So what you do, it goes up under and tucks the wire up underneath. Went. Now you get to the front. And now I'm gonna show you that there is more zip ties. Ta-da! Gotta love zip ties. These things weigh nothing, so this isn't gonna go anywhere. So let's get to the front and show the final wiring. Alright, so we are making progress. Silicone holes. Listen, no one's gonna see that. Stop it now. Once the frunk is back in. Ran the wire up. Whee! And I ran all three right through there, if you can see. I had to cut them, unfortunately. I'll show you. I had to cut the ends. It wouldn't go through. Oops. But they're color coded, so. Get this out of the way. Here's the other end. Look at my hat. Water bottle. So we're getting there. Alright, let's do this again. We got on. Woohoo. Off. Woohoo. Let's see if I can get both of them. Alright, yeah. Alright, yeah. Now, I got power from the fuse box, but that video you can find over, where is it? Wait, there. Because I did the same thing for the heated seats, which is the same car. That video you can find over there. I gotta get better at these videos, but what a mess. Gotta clean it up, but here's another one bites the dust. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.